do this one thing and your woman will desire you. If you're not doing this particular thing that I am about to say now, okay, know that you're not getting it right, okay? But in as much as we are talking about women, ladies, there is this particular thing that every man out there should do to his woman, okay? If you need something and that thing is so precious to you, you can go to any length to get it. Do you understand? So let's take for instance, I need to eat pizza. So, and this pizza, if I don't eat it, oh my god, if I don't eat this pizza at this particular time, guess what? I will have to, it's either I order for it or I go out of my way and get the pizza. I go out of my comfort and get the pizza. So this is what a woman wants from you. She expects you to do this. Yes. But she's still my woman. I love her, you know. I know you love her, but if you're not doing it, then you're not getting it right. Okay? Let her be the beauty that you've known from the one. Yes. You know, that time that you saw her for the first time, love was shocking you, you know. Notwithstanding that you guys are married for 18 years, 5 years, 7 years, 2 years, please make her your priority as usual. Okay, what I will say is that you know, women like mirror. Women love mirror. Like, we like to see ourselves, we like to know how we look, how we know. Every woman wants you to be her mirror. Wants you to be her mirror. If your woman is not seeing you in your eyes, desire. If your woman is not desiring you, if your woman is not seeing you in your eyes, boy, cry. You failed it. Okay? She would like to be seeing herself every day in your face. Talk of her. Give her money. Yes, just continue giving her money. Show her your affection. Okay? I want to say a little story. Armed robbers came to a house. So they surrendered the entire house, for the entire family. And one of them said, surrender your life, or surrender your money or your life. The husband was thinking that it was surrender your money or your wife. Because he is so coward, he immediately pushed his wife to the armed robbers and said, take her. No woman wants to marry a coward. No woman wants to marry a coward. Put your wife first. Be her mirror. In your 18 years of marriage, be her mirror. Yes, be her mirror. Always make her laugh. One thing I've noticed about marriage is that laughter makes marriage memorable. Laughter makes marriage memorable. Laughter makes marriage memorable. Always make her laugh. Always make her to, like, when you stand, she'll be seeing herself. Be proud of your wife out there. Make your wife your profile piece. Make your wife like everything. Don't allow your children to take the place of your wife. Don't allow your business to take the place of your wife. So when you do this one thing, and that particular thing is make yourself the mirror of your wife. That when she stands to make up, she will stand before you and be saying, babe, is this okay? Give her time, make her laugh, give her money. Yes. My husband is my mirror. I don't mind. Once I stand before him, I know that my makeup is good. Once I stand before him, I know that my clothes is good. My outfit is good. Even if he's not there, I know that my husband is my mirror. When I give him a call, he gives me this confidence. Oh, babe, you are good. He did not even see me, but hello, babe, you are good. I know what you want to say, you are good. Always tell her that you love her. Always remind her that you appreciate her.